Saving data for a unique row in a table as a Word document offers several advantages for data analysts in Excel. First, it allows for concise reporting by isolating pertinent information, which is particularly useful for presentations or client meetings. This focused approach ensures that stakeholders receive only the relevant details, reducing the risk of confusion. Additionally, Word documents maintain formatting, making data more visually appealing and easier to read. Analysts can include comments or additional context directly within the document, enhancing the clarity of the information presented. Furthermore, saving unique rows as Word documents facilitates efficient documentation for compliance or record-keeping purposes. Overall, this method streamlines communication and enhances the professional presentation of data insights. Now, to save a form as a Word file, click the Save as Word button. You will be prompted to enter the folder name where you want to save the Word document. Let's enter A1 as the folder name and then click OK. Another window will appear, requesting you to enter the file name for the Word document. Let's enter Nathan Hay and then click OK. A confirmation message will display, indicating that it was saved. Just click OK. Next, double-click on any cell and navigate to folder A1. Here is our saved Word document. Open it. Notice how the screening description cell has been automatically adjusted to fit, making every character visible. You can manually adjust anything you want. This is how the form is saved. See how effective this macro is. In conclusion, we have covered how to use this feature to enhance your Excel experience. If you'd like to learn how other features work, please watch my full tutorial on automating tasks in Excel with macros and VBA. I've included the link in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming content.